Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to either enable or disable the dynamic lock screen clock or dynamic lock screen auto update feature of the clock on your Samsung Galaxy smartphone. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So if you go to your home screen and then just swipe up, you want to select the settings gear button. And then scroll down and select the display and touch tile in here. Underneath lock display, select the lock screen button right here. And then there should be an item in here that says dynamic clock. Clock size changes according to lock screen content. If you want to toggle that on, you can enable it. Otherwise, you can disable it by clicking inside the oval one time. And that's pretty much all you have to do. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.